Hello everyone and welcome back to TechUnboxPro, your trusted destination for the latest smartphone reviews, unboxings, and technology updates. Today we are taking a closer look at the Samsung Galaxy A18, a budget smartphone that aims to deliver great performance, stylish design, and reliable features at an affordable price. Starting with the design, the Samsung Galaxy A18 features a modern and clean look that feels premium despite being a budget device. The phone comes with a slim body and smooth finish which makes it comfortable to hold and easy to use with one hand. Samsung has continued its minimal camera design style, giving the phone a sleek and elegant appearance. Moving to the display, the Samsung Galaxy A18 offers a large immersive screen that is perfect for watching videos, browsing the internet, and playing games. The colors are vibrant and the brightness is good enough for outdoor visibility. Whether you are scrolling through social media or streaming your favorite content, the display provides a smooth and enjoyable viewing experience. When it comes to performance, the Galaxy A18 is designed to handle everyday tasks with ease. The processor inside the phone ensures smooth multitasking, allowing users to switch between apps without major slowdowns. For normal usage such as messaging, browsing, watching videos, and light gaming, the Samsung Galaxy A18 performs reliably. The camera setup on the Samsung Galaxy A18 is also impressive for a phone in this price range. The main camera captures clear photos with good color accuracy and decent detail. In daylight conditions, photos look sharp and natural. The front camera is suitable for selfies and video calls, making it perfect for social media users and content creators. Battery life is another strong point of the Samsung Galaxy A18. The device is equipped with a long-lasting battery that can easily last a full day on moderate usage. Whether you are watching videos, browsing the internet, or using apps throughout the day, the phone manages power efficiently so you don't have to worry about frequent charging. Samsung also provides its user-friendly One UI interface which makes the phone easy to navigate. The software experience feels smooth and organized, offering useful customization options and helpful features that improve the overall user experience. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A18 stands out as a solid budget smartphone in 2026. It combines a stylish design, reliable performance, decent cameras, and long battery life, making it a great option for users looking for an affordable Samsung device. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to subscribe to TechUnboxPro and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest smartphone reviews and unboxing videos. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next video.